Welcome to your tour of SPC 1024 Introduction to Speech Communications online. Are you ready to explore our course? Great, then let's begin. First and foremost, you'll want to run a browser check to ensure that your computer is properly configured. Click here for assistance with running a browser check, or call the 24-hour help desk for assistance. Please know you'll need to run a browser check on every computer you access Blackboard from. As you can see on our course homepage, we've got three icons: Orientation, which contains useful information to navigate our course; Coursework, which contains all of our learning materials grouped by module, including discussion topics, chapter activities, speech assignments, and tests; and Help, which contains information for accessing the Blackboard Help Desk, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It also contains step-by-step tutorials for how to submit our recorded speech videos and how to use each of the course tools. In the left-hand margin, we've got our course tools. These tools will always be here for us to access, and anytime we see a green asterisk, it means that something new has been posted within that tool. Also notice how we can use these arrows to expand or collapse the Course Tools menu. Let's explore each of our course tools. The Announcements tool. You may have noticed a welcome pop-up message when you first logged into the course. If you'd like to review that information, we can do so by clicking on the Announcements icon. And look, here's our welcome announcement. The instructor will use this tool to communicate important course information. Next, let's explore the Syllabus tool. The Syllabus tool is also known as your most important course document. Within the syllabus, we can find all of our necessary course information. We'll want to pay extra special attention to the course schedule and assignments section, as it is here where all of our course assignments and due dates are located. By clicking this link, we can download and print the complete course schedule in Microsoft Word format. Next, let's explore the Mail tool. The Blackboard Mail tool is a course-contained communication tool which allows us to send and receive private messages. At the right of the screen, we can notice that we have a mail message. Let's click on our message to see what it says. It's from our professor. At this point, we could reply, forward, print, or delete the message, but for now, let's simply close the window and continue with our tour. Next, we have the Discussions tool. Throughout the course, we will participate in several online discussions. Topics are organized by module. We've also got a questions, comments, or concerns discussion topic available. It is here where we should post questions we have about assignments, tests, or the course in general. The Web Links tool contains web links provided by the instructor. We've got several links or resources provided to us, including a link to the textbook website, a link to the site where we will submit our recorded speeches, and a link to BC's Help with e-learning page. The Chat tool is also available for us to participate in real-time conversations with our classmates. This tool is very useful when working on our group project. Finally, we've got the My Grades tool. It is here where we can view all of our grades throughout the semester. And that does it for our course tools. Let's take a moment now to explore our course content. To return to the home page, simply click on the Course Content icon. And here we are. As mentioned previously, Orientation provides us with useful information to navigate our course. Help contains step-by-step tutorials for how to submit our recorded speech videos and how to use each of the course tools. Coursework is the place we'll go to access all of our learning materials. Let's check it out. As we can see, our coursework is grouped into modules. Please know the instructor will only make a few modules available to us at a time. In fact, we'll have to complete Module 1 before seeing any other modules. Let's take a peek inside one of the modules. How about Module 3? On the left, we've got our table of contents, and it looks as if Module 3 has 7 items. On the right, the first item in our table of contents, Learning Outcomes for Module 3, is displayed. If we'd like to see the second item, the discussion topic for improving intercultural communication, we can do so by simply clicking on the appropriate link. When we are ready to post a message, we will do so by clicking the Create Message button. If we'd like to see our activity for Chapter 3, we may do so by clicking on the appropriate link, and it will appear. If we'd like to print part of the learning materials, we simply click the print icon and select the page or pages we wish to print. Well, that does it. Hopefully you've enjoyed the SPC 1024 Introduction to Speech Communications online tour. Remember, these tools are always available to us in the left-hand margin of the screen, and we can use these arrows to expand or collapse the Course Tools menu. Also know that we can always return to the course homepage by clicking the course content icon. Best of luck this semester, and we'll be seeing you online.